In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Slack QR code 5 minutes. Getting a QR code in Slack lets you sign in on your phone quickly without typing your email and password. All you need is Slack open on your computer and the Slack app on your phone with an internet connection on both. Start on your computer. Open the Slack desktop app or go to slack.com/sign in your web browser and open the workspace you want to use on mobile. Once Slack is open, look to the top left and click your workspace name. A menu appears. Choose the option labeled Sign in on mobile. In some versions, it may read Get the mobile app. Both paths show the same screen. Slack will display a QR code. Keep that window visible and steady. If the code times out or vanishes, just reopen the menu to generate a fresh one. Brighten your display if the code looks dim and avoid glare so your phone can scan it cleanly. Now switch to your phone, open the Slack app. On the welcome screen, tap sign in, then pick scan QR code. The camera view opens. If your phone asks for camera permission, allow it so Slack can read the code. Point your camera at the QR code on your computer, keeping the square fully in frame. Hold still for a moment until you see a confirmation. If you use multiple workspaces, you may be prompted to select the correct one. Follow any remaining prompts to finish signing in, such as confirming the account or approving the login. In a few seconds, your phone will load the workspace channels and messages. This method is secure because it uses your existing login on the computer to prove it's you, so you don't have to type anything sensitive on mobile. Keep the code private and only scan it from your own computer. That's it. You started on your computer to generate the QR code, clicked your workspace name to find the sign in on mobile option, saw the code appear, then used your phone's sign in and scan QR code to complete the process. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure both your desktop and mobile Slack apps are up to date and that your internet connection is stable. If scanning fails, clean your camera lens, increase screen brightness, or move a little closer. And if you don't see the QR option, you can always sign in with your email as a fallback.